Hey guys, it's Jayla, and like I said in the title, I'm going to be showing you how to use your Denman brush. So first I'm just going to take my hair out of this bun, and yes, I'm fully aware that I look like Hermione circa Sorcerer's Stone, but that's just what happens when you leave your hair in a bun for days. The version I'm using is the D4, which comes with 9 rows. I've already adjusted mine to have 7, and I'm going to take one out, so we're going to be working with 6. So I found that adjusting the brush can be, extremely difficult. However, after pulling and doing this incorrectly, I found a better way to figure this out. Thankfully, I have found the easy way to do this, which is just to grab the top and pull it outwards, and it should pop out like that. And I'm going to go and try and take out the middle row that's just smack dab right there in the middle. So you just pull on it and it should pop out like this, and then just keep pulling. And now you can see the holes of where I took the row out, and this is what the brush looks like on the other side. Now we're just going to close it. It can be a little tricky. It might not fit or stay shut, but you're just going to hold it together, and the side that has the D's is going to be the side that sticks out. So now we're just going to do this method I like to call the smush and push. That's because you smush the sides while pushing at the same time, and that just seems like it has been the easiest way to get this back in there. And then once you kind of finish that, just take your palm and push the rest in. So this is the finished brush with 6 rows. Alright, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is partially detangled, but we're just going to add some product to make this whole styling process go smoothly. So first I'm just going to take some more water and start wetting my hair, just because even though I showered, my hair does dry pretty quickly, so we're just going to try and saturate the hair. Next, I'm just taking my Garnier Fructis Smoothing Treat 1 Minute Hair Mask, and this is the avocado one, and I'm just going to focus that on the driest parts of my hair, which are my ends, the back of my head, just because that's where you put your head on seat rests and you lay on it. And then I'm going to do these top pieces right here and right behind my ears, because they get really dry there as well. Now I'm taking my Eden Natural Curl Defining Cream, and I'm basically going to do the same thing, but with this product I like to add a little bit and then add more, just because if I add too much at once, it can be a little too heavy for my hair. So now I'm just going to distribute the product with the brush, and this brush is really good for that. And I think on the left side that I'm doing now, you can definitely see how well it distributes it and detangles and just makes the hair look uniform. Okay, so here is the fun part. This is where I'm going to take a section of my hair and I'm just going to start brushing it in the typical brushing motion, just to show you guys how the brush works on its own. See how it does define really well? There's literally like no frizz. This is all very good for detangling. However, the Denman brush is a styling brush, and we can maximize its potential by doing a different styling technique. So here I'm just going to go underneath the hair, and as I get closer to the bottom, I'm going to curl the brush over. See how it has created these perfect little ringlets. Here is a side-by-side comparison. Just look at the way the brush clumps the curls into ringlets when you do the curling motion. So now I'm just going to finish up the right side of my head, and then I will show you another side-by-side comparison. Alright, so I just finished the right side, and as you can see, it is much more defined and frizz-free. And keep in mind that both sides have already been brushed with the Denman brush, but the right side is the only side I use the curling technique on. So now I'm just going to go and finish up doing the left side of my hair, and then I'm going to show you what both sides look like after being styled. So here is what both sides of my hair look when they are fully finished being styled using the curling method. Like I said before, super defined, super frizz free. And now, just to lock in all that definition, I'm going to use my LA Looks Extreme Sport Gel, and I'm just going to kind of coat my hair with it. The thing with this brush is that it's going to give you a ton of shrinkage, so I'm going to try and press the product in and then minimize the amount of times I'm scrunching. So now I'm just going to take this soft t-shirt and just kind of lightly scrunch the excess water and product out of my hair, and then I'm going to wrap my hair in it like a towel, and I kind of just do this and let it sit for about a couple hours or so, really just until I go to bed, and then I take it out before I sleep. So that is it, and then I will show you the results in the morning. Hey guys, so here are the final results from the Denman brush. As you can see, my hair is pretty defined, and actually the more defined sections are actually underneath. So, like right here, like, oh, look at that. See that? That is just a ringlet that's just waiting to just like, yep. If it looks a little bit frizzy, it is because I slept on it last night and I took a nap today, and I toss around in my sleep. Now, I do have this little silk pillowcase here, so that definitely helps. I showed you guys a clip of my hair before. You get a ton of shrinkage. My hair was definitely not this short. It's more of a matter of just styling it. Shake it out, add some hair oil. You're good to go. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to, oh wow, the definition. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit, thank you for watching. Don't forget, why do I keep saying forget? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, it's just subscribe. Don't. One more time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe.